Tila makakasuhan pa si Jam Villanueva, ex-girlfriend ng aktor na si Anthony Jennings. Ito'y matapos silabas ang screenshot ng convo ni Anthony at Maris sa publiko na kung saan pinagpiestahan at talaga naman naging trending pa nga si Maris at Anthony sa online world. Ayon sa abogadong si Attorney Joji Alonso, legal counsel ng ABS-CBN Star Magic, ay dahil sa ginawa ni Jam, posibleng maharap ito sa dalawang kaso, ang cyber libel at violation of data privacy. Base sa post ni Attorney Joji, kahit na totoo umano ang mga screenshot na pinost ni Jam sa kanyang social media, hindi pa rin umano ito maituturing na may ginawang krimen na ginawa si Maris at Anthony dahil anya, hindi naman kasal si Jam kay Anthony, kaya naman wala daw nilabag na batas ang dalawa. Hindi umano ito pasok sa batas ng adultery o concubinage katulad ng ikinakaso sa magpartner na kasal na at nagkasala. Dagdag pa ni Attorney Joji, hindi maaaring gamitin ni Jam ang moving on process kaya niya na-post ang palitan ng mensahe ni Anthony at Maris. Bagamat naiintindihan naman umano ng abogado ang nararamdaman ni Jam, ngunit ganun pa man, wala pa din daw karapatan si Jam na mag-post ng kahit anong palitan ng mensahe ng kahit kanino, lalo kung wala itong pahintulot ng mismong taong sangkot. Assuming that all the screenshots are legit, the fact remains that Maris and Anthony have committed no crime. Their actions may be regarded as morally wrong, but they were never married to their respective partners. Jamela, on the other hand, may have committed at least 2 crimes with her actions: cyber libel and violation of data privacy. She cannot hide her actions under the guise of moving on. Yes, she may have experienced pain and betrayal, but this does not give her the license to violate the law. I'm not the one to say ano ang dapat na ginawa ni Jam. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung ako nasa lagay niya, baka di rin ako makapag-isip ng tama. So much pressure from the fans ng LT. Tapos yung sinasabi mong shaming siya, unang naka-experience nun. Dito pa lang sa Reddit, madami na akong nabasa before sumabog issue na to. Malaking privilege na lang if may mga tao sa paligid na may alam sa legality ng bagay-bagay. Kasi kahit paano kung emotional ka, pwede ka pa din nila sampalin ng possible consequences na gagawin mo. So yeah, people, surround yourself with those who knows the law or might as well study the law yourselves. Let's see the record straight. Walang nag-invalidate ng feelings ni Jam. Karapatan niya na magparinig and masaktan, natural lang yon. Nagkaroon ng problema once nag-post siya ng private conversation. Yun ang mali. And let's hope na hindi petty ang managers at legal team ng dalawa kasi kaya nilang scorch urge tactics dyan and wala siyang panalo. Kulang ang 1 milyon if magsasampa yung dalawa ng kaso kasama na dyan livelihood nila. So ayun, hinay-hinay sila pag-post. This is what I'm thinking. She could have made a story first na nawala or ninakaw phone niya. She can even post about it para ka panipaniwala. Then a few days later, she can hire someone to post that in a way that it won't raise total. Sabi nila mayaman naman yung Jam. Pwede niyang i-post dito. Sasabog ka agad issue nun for sure. Kung gaganti na lang siya, make sure na hindi siya madadawit kasi sa ginawa niya, malinaw. Lumabag siya sa batas. Kapag ginasuhan siya na naman ang talo, magbabayad pa siya. I agree with the post to some extent. To make a more extreme example, alam natin that there are people whose delusion from this world will make it a better place, pero we can't just go around killing people we don't like, no matter how bad they are. Similarly, there are always to call out people or even give hints or throw shades, pero hindi rin naman pwede basta nag-commit ng cybercrime and privacy violation na manguha ng phone ng ibang tao. Take screenshots without consent, especially sensitive personal communications, and post publicly without consent. People are so emotional about the cheating aspect of it. I get it, cheating is wrong. However, one should still follow the law regardless. People are condemning those who mention about data privacy. Wait till it happens to you in another form where your conversations and personal data are leaked and you'll be crying foul over it for sure. An eye for an eye, you say. If all people think the same way, then the world will be blind. Tama naman ang lawyer. In the eyes of justice, mali talaga ginawa ni Jam. There's no law against cheating. Pero may batas against what she did. Hindi naman bago cheating sa showbiz. Nag-overstep lang talaga si Jam na naglabas siya ng resibo without knowing the legal consequences of her action. Sige nga, paanong tamang proseso ba yung mga sinasabi nyo pati naging lawyer at feeling lawyer na masyadong hayok sa technicality? Siya na nga tong niloko tapos binabash ng mga fans while yung mga manloko at third party nag-e-enjoy sa pag-usbong ng career nila. Paanong proseso ba? Mag-file siyang kaso, di pa nga sila mag-asawa tapos sure yan mauwi lang yan sa aregluhan at worst. Di magsampahan sila ng kaso. Mananalo yung dalawang cheater sa korte. Panalo naman sa public opinion yung non-showbiz ex-girlfriend. Nagpapatingin daw sa psychologist yung girl dahil sa trauma. So pwede niya rin kasuhan yung ex-boyfriend niyang cheater. You can't move on by doing something illegal. You only get sympathy from people but not from the rule of law. Days or weeks, maybe months from now, cases will be filed and none of all our sympathizers can help you. Guys, sana nagets nyo na mali talaga, hindi yan about PR move. Even lawyers na ang nagsabi na mali ang ginawa ni Jam. Totoo man o hindi ang mga screenshot. Cheating is between those parties. Posting private conversation is another law-breaking issue. We don't tolerate cheating pero the way how she handled the situation is violation of laws. Sana ginamit niya yon as evidence to file a legal case dahil protected siya ng vowsy. The problem is dinaan niya agad sa social media. Kahit may takip pa ang name at picture, it is still obvious. Victims have human rights, but abusing your rights should not make more victims. Gets naman na cheating is bad, but it's always advisable to handle the situation privately or seek legal counsel on how to address concerns without breaking the law.